Welcome back to Spone Academy. The SIPLINK series IP speaker has built-in scheduler that can play the audio file automatically on a desired time, without any manual interference. This video will be mainly focusing on the configuration process, so there won't be any equipment, but make sure you've already configured the IP speaker's IP address and connected your PC to the same network with the IP speaker. Let's say now there's a company that it needs to play music every day when the work time started, which is 9 o'clock playing for 5 minutes, and lunchtime break music started at 12 o'clock every Monday to Friday, playing for 1 hour. Now let's take a look how to set up the proper timing tasks to fit these two requirements. After connect the IP speaker to the same network, open your browser and input the IP speaker's IP address. For me, it's 192.168.1.120. Log in with the username and password, admin. First of all, for us to set up a timing task, we need to upload our audio first. Click Media. Click the upload icon. I'm going to upload a lunchtime break music and music when the work time start. Now we can start setting up the timing task. Click Pattern. Every device can create 20 timing tasks. We're going to set the pattern one as Work Start Music. Change the pattern name. Select the media file we just uploaded. Repeat select timer. Select the start and end time, which are 9 o'clock and 9:05. And the weekly repeat, which should be Monday to Sunday. Interval is the blank between each playback. By default is 3 seconds, and we can tweak in the task's volume at the input volume. Lastly, for the control out switch, we can enable this task to trigger the alarm devices, such as strobe light or electronic door lock, when this task is running. Now for the lunchtime break music, going to be pattern 2. For this task, start time will be 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock, and repeat from Monday to Friday. So now, the timing task configuration has been completed. Click Save and Restart. In this video, we've learned about the SIPLINK IP speaker's timing task function and configuration process. That's all for today's lesson. For more information, please visit our website www.spoincome.com. Thank you for watching.